a trace in the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Foggy torn in the New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world.
Tingin mo hindi pa niya alam.
Hindi ko nga alam. Ano nga ako
Hindi
eh.
matago yan eh.
Oo nga eh.
Like it was only
Nag-start kami, nag-chat lang, tapos wala pang video calls kasi nahihiya pa. Tapos after 3 months, nag-meet kami sa house nila. Tapos na-meet ko na rin yung family.
you were a part of me. This way you'll always be. This way you'll always be a part of me.
Kaya ako tumakbo kasi wala. Parang safe na yung feeling ko siya. So kahit madaming tao, okay.
From that moment, I knew you were the one. Everything just fell into place because we always loved and cared for each other, for who we are. You are the most loving, honest, and caring best friend I ever had. Hindi po. You are the reason. You are the reason why I truly love Laging. I will always choose you. I will always be by your side, no matter what.
You were a part of me. This way you'll always be. This way you'll always be a part of me.
Sabi ng friend namin na wedding anniversary ng parents nila. Ako di ko naniwala. Oo. Yeah.
Ares, tingin mo ba mag-yes siya?
Oo. Yeah.
100%. Sure na sure.
Baka mga 95. Mga 95 siguro. Oo.
Mataas ang 95.
Oo. Okay lang. Will you marry me?
Yes. Of course.
You were a part of me. This way you'll always be. This way you'll always be a part of me. You were a part of me.
Bakit?
Wala ka ba? Alam mo na!
Hindi niya alam.
Dahil kay Bernie, di ko alam.
This way you'll always be a part of me. You were a part of me. This way you'll always be. This way you'll always be a part of me.
Alam mo, mag-yes ako.
Just wanna see.
Hindi naman.
Hindi. Natakot ka di ako papasok.
Oo.
Totoo?
Oo.
Totoo?
Oo nga.
Bakit?
Natakot lang kasi umalis ka eh. I will always choose you, no matter what.
I always choose you.